Okay, this is my video. In this video I will show you my all new hou-ups. This is my new shocks. Aluminium treated shocks. Really thicker than the original one. This is my new tire. Harder tire. This tire is really hard. And new rims. This is my new front shocks too. They move really better than the older one. And this is my homemade roll cage, protection cage, made with zinc rod, soldered by myself. Cheaper than the original brand, cost me $5. And then now I will go make a new video outside in the snow. This is my shaft. All dynamite shafts. Inside this tranny I own all Robinson racing gears. I'm waiting for the bottom shaft gear now, supposed to be there soon. And this is my hou-ups for two servos, two steering servos, work really fine, stronger, dual servo links. This is all homemade, my homemade CNC frame from one of my Australian friends. And skid plates, integy skid plates. And that's it. I will be ready to run soon, guys. See you.